The voting process across polling units in Imo East Senatorial District began at different times, with few voters seen trickling in to exercise their franchise.
Particular unit, the beavers worked perfectly well. It worked well, you understand? There was no problem with the beavers, and the accreditation went peacefully as well.
The turnout of voters?
Really, that's another issue. The turnout of voters was not really encouraging. Yeah? You understand? People were coming countlessly. As they were coming, they were voting. You understand? They vote, they go. And different people comes, they vote, you know? Not like the other election, the presidential and the senatorial.
There is nothing that much about the beavers. The only issue we're having here is that we have like 5 cases that the accreditation failed. So when we have such issue, what we do is that after taking some people, we take them to relax. Then after taking some people, we repeat it again. Try it for them like 3 times or some 5 times and still not working. Then they just give up. But they're not happy for them coming here not to be able to vote.
In some of Inyishi wards in Ikeduru local government area of the state, there was chaos, with voters scampering for safety. The candidate of the PDP is concerned about the process.
The truth of the matter is that we had that in the Owerri Municipal. The APC state chairman, paid for town criers to start talking about that if you will not vote for APC, you should not come out and vote. Otherwise, they scared away the people. Even at that, the people resisted them and came out to start casting their vote. All they did was to use non-state actors and, at Nekede, there's a young man called Madoka. I heard he's a member of the head of one of the courts, using talks, scattering people, beating old women and all that at Nekede. So this is not what the election should be.
In other words, we visited around the Owerri Municipal Council and Owerri North local government area. The situation seemed different.
When I came, there's low voter turnout. The people are voting peacefully. Some are going home after voting. Some are hanging around to see the outcome of their votes. And security presence is very commendable.
Across our communities and across the state, it's been very peaceful against the expectations of some naysayers who said the hell will be let loose. We thank God, we give God all the glory. We also commend INEC.
Results have begun to arrive at various collation centers, with agents of different political parties hoping to stay put till the end of the process. Chikodinaka Dili, AIT News, Owerri.